I'm Kelvin from Amphenol. I want to show you the Gen C connector from our SSRBU. Here you can see the vertical, standard vertical, 1C, 2C, 4C, 4C plus, AC, and the latest 4C HP high power connector. And another one is wide angle, 3.05 sitting height, 1C, 2C, 4C, and also we have the 4C plus. Here you can see the 4.05 sitting height wide angle connector, 1C, 2C, 4C, and 4C plus. We also have all kind of shadow mount panel, 1C, 2C, 4C, and 4C plus. For the OCP application, we have different kind of hotspot thickness. For example, the smallest one, the thinnest one is 1.6. The next one is 1.93, 2.11, 2.36, 2.6, and 2.794, and also 3.0 mm hotspot. We have different kind of hotspot thickness OCP connector. The next one is the orthogonal connector, 1C orthogonal. In this demo board, you can see all different kind of standard Gen C connector. But we also custom make a different connector for the specific market. For example, the vertical, we have a different pin count for the vertical connector. Here is 48 pin, here is 120 something pin. Also, we have the standalone power connector, 4 power pin, 2 power pin. For the right angle connector, here before I show you the 3.05, 4.05 wide angle, here is the high profile version wide angle 1C connector for specific application also. And the next one is the orthogonal connector. We have the standard 1C Gen 4, and also we have the latest one, the Gen 5 orthogonal. Today, I want to show you our standard version connector and also our capability to make the special connector for the Gen C market. Thank you.